Mirror dash cam backup camera 9.88. 9.88 full touchscreen with 1080p front and rear dash camera and wide view field. The 9.88 streaming media mirror with ITS'170 degrees field of front view is wide enough to capture the big picture. It also offers a super sharp 1080p maximum resolution that lets you see details such as license plates, street signs more easily than dash cam with lower resolution. Easy parking and 26 feet extended backup camera wire. The reverse camera starts up automatically. When reversing you can park easily with help of the assistant line appears. The 26 feet long wire connecting car backup camera with the video is long enough for most car models. We also have extra 49 feet extension cable for trailer truck. Please contact us at formidasservice@hotmail.com if you need wide rear view and night vision. The rear view mirror camera recording at 1080p resolution, giving you nice detailed footage behind your car. You can read rear view traffic signs across a 150 degrees field.At night. This dual dashcam equipped with f2.07 glass lens has minimal glare from other car headlights and lighter areas will not be overexposured. G-sensor and loop recording. When collision occurs, G-sensor will automatically lock the video which cannot be overwritten. Even loop recording function is on. With loop recording you never need to purchase additional memory card. When the storage space is full, the old segments will be overwritten except locked file with critial events. Auto recording and 24 hours parking monitor and GPS. The dual dashcam starts automatically once your car starts up, thus no need to worry about missed recording. Turn on the parking mode. The HD mirror cam will record whenever an impact is detected. This car dash cam supports 24-hour parking monitor. GPS tracking system records precise driving speed, direction and Route.There GPS location in the unit. Please purchase GPS antenna separately from our. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.